Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fish up train wheel in Fish It game on Roblox Christmas update part 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see here, I have a quest or a mission to fish up for train wheel. And I'm going to show you guys how we can do that. So this is a part of the event quest. And well, let me show you guys. I'm going to click on the Save Christmas Express. Okay, and the quest details is fishing up for train wheels, and we will get this gingerbread lantern as reward. Okay, first of all guys, you need to have the fishing radar, and you need to activate the radar. Okay, and here you will see the train wheel. Okay, then you can fish in this area to get the train wheel. Okay, just fish here, and I hope that you will get the train wheel to complete the mission. Okay, I'm still working on it guys. I haven't catched the train wheel. I hope that I can catch it soon, but it's kind of difficult to catch. But no worries. I believe that we can. Okay guys, and that's how we can fish up the train wheel and Fish It game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.